Linens Peak is a little bit covered by clouds, but that's about 7,100 meters above sea level. And we met these professional alpine climbers, and it has a storm last night. As you could see, all the snow everywhere is just only last night, and all glaciers, so it's a little bit hard to go. And so far I think this is the last part that we have to go up. We're not in the proper equipment. It's a blessing that we're able to climb this mountain with beautiful views. It's starting to shower snow.
Oh, there's a video.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at that snowflakes.
yeah.
So that's 4,650.
I think so. And it looks easy. I think
Yeah.
you could climb that.
Yeah,
It would be
probably
possible.
only yesterday that it has a
Snow,
snow.
yeah, I think it's quite easy to walk on
Yeah.
still. Yeah. If you walk down through the valley and then up there, I think
Throw it out.
Huh?
Yeah. Not today. Woo! Now it's starting to have a snowflakes. I think it's time for us to go back to the base camp. Everybody's saying like this Linens Peak is the easiest mountain that you have to climb, but there are so many people died yearly as well because of the storm. When it storms, it's about negative 40 degrees Celsius. Snowflakes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Snowing. Whew. Oh, the snowflakes. Look at the marmots. They're so cute. Yeah, yaks sound like pigs. And they smell like pigs as well. But I was able to taste a yak meat. Don't you know that?
How good is this?
Yeah, it tastes good.
That one is a male.
Oh, these yaks were so cute. And look at the fur. The hair was so shiny. Thank you. Some people from Norway and the guys from Netherlands. It's beautiful, sunny, but it's very cloudy, so you cannot see the mirror light on this mountain. Look at the color of that mountain. Oh, these yaks were so cute. And look at the fur. The hair was so shiny. Thank you. Some people from Norway and the guys from Netherlands.